Well, today we're going to talk about solar wells. This is a solar pump that I got on Amazon. It was around $50. It says it's a 12-volt pump. It consumes 250 watts of energy, roughly 10 amps of current. It says do not run dry. So I'm just going to set it in this bucket of water over here. So basically these pumps and most motors are just huge inductors. And what that means is when you connect a power source to it, the first thing that has to happen is the magnetic field has to be energized by that power source. And when it does that, it's going to draw a large amount of current, uh, probably more than 10 amps, most likely. And so you can't just connect these directly to your charge controller over here. What you've got to do is get a power transistor. In this case, I've gotten a power transistor module from Amazon, and I've just connected it to the DC output of my charge controller, and then I've connected the battery on one side and the pump on the other. So this then should enable you to actually turn the pump on and off using the solar charge controller. So you don't need an extra timer, because obviously the way you want to run this thing is you want to charge up the battery for some period of time until it has enough energy to be able to deliver the starting current that's needed for this pump. So we've connected all of this here. We've basically used a screwdriver and some wire strippers in order to do this, so it doesn't really require a lot of tools. We've got some MC4 connectors here that we've crimped on just to connect to your solar panel, whatever it is. It can be a small solar panel. Doesn't really matter, because you're going to end up running the pump off the battery, not the solar panel. And if we just flip the switch, you'll see that it's working.